We have a special guest today. No, rather, we have someone to work on the cars for us today. We got Randy and Eliminate down here today. We're gonna put them to work on the BRZ because it's a little overcast. I'm a little tired today.
Mickey doesn't know what he's doing, and the Eliminate gang knows everything.
You left the bag life, but today we're gonna show you guys what it's all about.
All right, let's go.
So we're gonna be changing out the airlift struts on this car, and we're gonna be replacing them with universal air struts. I'm really excited to put these in because they will drive a lot softer. They're not gonna be as loud. I mentioned this before, my airlift struts, after about like a year of owning them, I loved them, but some of the parts just kind of wore out on them, and if you look on the forums, that's kind of been a popular issue with the struts just being blown out. So we're gonna be replacing that. Still using airlift management, but we're gonna be changing out the struts today. It's gonna be really simple. It should take us probably about like 30 minutes or so. The BRZ is like famous for being super easy to work on. It shouldn't be that hard for Eliminate to change out these struts for us and put them in. And we already have our airline and everything done, so we're just gonna take the struts out, put the new struts in, and put in the line. And what's gonna be amazing is that just like the RX-7, our lift we're gonna get on these bags is gonna be huge. We're gonna get probably 3 to 4 more inches of ride height going up, which is gonna make our BRZ that much better to handle the roads. We're not gonna hit any bumps, not gonna hit any divots, we're not gonna hit anything on the road, so it's gonna be super, super nice and easy.
It's not me, fool. I didn't shit once yet.
I've done a pretty shitty job at filming it, but we have the front left bag in, and I just finished putting in the back left. Calvin's just hiding the line. Then we gotta do the other side, and then it's a pretty quick job, one and done. Randy's just been here fucking around the whole time, not doing anything.
What are you doing?
Just
I'm fixing your turbo.
Oh. We are almost done. We're gonna have Eliminate do the right-hand side because they said they want to be put to work today. So that's what we're gonna do.
Hit it, Teej.
What's up?
That's sick.
That's
Nice.
Cool. What?
Nice. That's it. No, that's good.
dude. I did not know it would go up that much.
Well, no, stop. Turn your car off. Turn your car off. Cut it, Teej. You know what doesn't look
Dude,
cool?
the end link is not gonna fit in there.
Yes, it will.
It will. I think it will. You might have to do the other side first.
Okay, let's just put the wheel on and put it down and then get on the other side.
Let's go. Eliminate is taking over this bag install. Mickey! We can't afford to mess up, so we need him to do everything. Just kidding, guys. Let's do this.
The rear is easier to do,
So, Lou and I are gonna take... You can take the front, so I'm gonna take the rears.
I'll take the front.
Oh!
Make sure it's on reverse, yeah?
I can't damage these wheels because I can't afford any of this. These wheels are on there. Good. This is how you know these are.
Hold it. Ready?
Go.
God damn.
These are expensive wheels. They're stud.
Hey, what's your day? You kicking HRDs now? Over here, man.
Okay, so this is a 19. Where all the tools at?
Team Randy.
Let's go. Team Randy's got this. Y'all.
I think while we know what we're doing.
I'm rooting for this team.
Thank you, Calvin.
I'm rooting for this team. Randy's a chotch.
Finish it right now. Look at him. He doesn't know where the tools are. Shot. Can't even reach the tools.
Yeah, what is he doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'd like to interrupt today's video to say thank you to our sponsor, Honey. If you guys do not know what Honey is, it is an online shopping tool that goes into your browser that automatically gets the best coupon codes available for thousands of sites on the internet. Honey has saved me tons of money, whether it's buying gifts for Sabrina or buying pizza. To install Honey on your computer, go to joinhoney.com/TJHunt. It's super simple and only 2 clicks away. You simply add your products that you want to your cart, click checkout, and then Honey instantly applies coupons for you. I've saved close to 20 bucks already. There's no reason not to add Honey to your browser today. It's free and is literally 2 clicks away. Click the link down below or go to joinhoney.com/TJHunt to download to your browser. Thank you so much for today's sponsor. Now let's get back to the normal programming.
Alright, can I get another 19? I don't know where all the tools are. This is kind of hard for me.
No, they're all on the other side. This man is hustling. I like it. You gotta beat him. They're calling you a bitch over there. Randy?
No, hell no.
Hell no.
Are going down.
We're going down.
TJ didn't say anything, but hey guys, we need to stop right now.
What?
We didn't notice this, but it's becoming a sweatshop.
We're being used.
Look at this, there's a whole bunch of Asians working on, Calvin included.
Hey, Dan, where you at?
Oh, what? You guys are done.
There you go. I got you a present, bro. It's a bag for a
Oh.
car that might not. Ooh.
It's rubbing.
Houston, we have a problem. Would you call this Chanel, Tiffany, or Louis Vuitton?
This is the Louis of bags right here.
Tiffany?
Tiffany.
Really? Adding some special white stuff. I don't know why.
Watch your videos for a long time, TJ.
Okay, he's got it off. We can get back to this.
All the new bags have been replaced, so I'm gonna start the car right now, put air in the bags, and then lower it. One thing that's pretty cool is when I was on the old struts, I wasn't able to put the jack that's underneath the car under the car. It was fully aired up. And now with this one, when I air up the front, we should be able to lower the car with the jack and be able to pull the jack out underneath the car, if that made sense. It's all because I have more clearance now with the new bags, but I'll show you rather than telling you. So I'm gonna fill all the bags now to my high setting. Now we're slowly gonna lower the front end and we should be able to pull everything out. So right now I'm off of this jack and I'm on the ground. I've never been able to do that. That's crazy. So now when I air up all the way, that's how high my car gets. I literally can't explain to you how big that is for bags. Like, that is so tall. So we didn't, we think our coils on all the struts are correct, so I'm gonna air out all the way and let's see if it airs out just as low. It might not, and if that's the case, I'll need to go back in a second time and readjust all the heights, but who knows, maybe we'll get lucky. I'm gonna air out all the way and we'll see how it looks.
The back is too high?
Yeah. Nuh-uh.
I can't stick my hand in.
Yeah, I think the back used to go a little bit lower. I thought I was,
No,
no?
this was about it.
That's fucking tight, like.
That's really tight. Yeah, this is what it was, I think.
We could lower it in, eh?
Throughout the whole entire day, I felt like super disconnected with the camera, and I felt like I haven't been like on track with where I normally am. And I don't know if that's because I'm like super tired lately or whatever it is. I don't really know, but today I like felt really disconnected with like everything throughout the day, like everything work related, and I like wasn't able to focus. And I feel like lately I haven't been sleeping enough, and I don't think I had enough time for myself, and I know that. But sometimes I push myself harder than I should. And for that reason, I'm gonna go to bed a little bit early tonight. And I think this is an important message to you guys. If any of you are feeling like that, or feel like maybe one day you just like can't focus, or you can't get anything done, or you feel just like completely disconnected from everything, which like I definitely feel like that today. Blue, don't you dare leave me. Don't you dare. Does anyone ever force their dogs to stay with them? Because I do it all the time, especially with Blue. If any of you ever feel like that, go to bed a little bit earlier. I feel like not getting enough sleep is something that I don't take seriously enough, and that's something that I need to take a lot more seriously. Blue, you just shedded all over my face. I've just felt really like out of tune lately, and I hate that, and I want to get back on track with things, so I'm trying to like alter my sleep a little more and trying to get a little bit more sleep. Hey guys, I'm trying to end a video here. If we could just not have a major play session right now and distract me, that'd be great. Watch how well Kona responds to me. Kona, come here right now. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you listening to me. It was really dope having the Eliminate crew come by today. I miss them every time they leave. One of these times I need to find an excuse to go up to San Jose, just hang out with them, because it's definitely overdue. But we were talking about it today when they were here, and it probably won't be until after January. You guys don't even know it yet, but the amount of traveling that we are about to do in the next like 3 months is gonna be probably more than we've done in the last year. Thank you guys for watching today's video. We will all see you tomorrow. Peace out and keep moving forward like the pillow.
And I'm feeling good.